Good afternoon. September the 8th, 2015. First day after Labor Day. We're starting to get towards a full market right now. It might take another week to get everybody in and playing. We came in this morning. The first trade we saw was a sell, 59 to 61. And we had a buy in the 45 to 50 area. That was the overlay of the market. And we thought that we would find some buying below 50, some selling in that 60 to 65 area. Second sell zone was 65 to 70 up here. And lots of chop right in through here, a lot of misdirection, but the 50 lot player was on the buy side. You can see the broad market was being bought right in through here. On this bar, a V top produced the first really good trade of the day. This S right here would have been a small winner too. Off the bottom right here, a V bottom, a scratch, not much of a trade. Mean green, a small winner. Now look at the volume in this bar. We got a ton of volume in it, and there is no follow through selling. So at this point, the buy side once again becomes more attractive. And the thing that we're keying off of is that there's no volume after this bar. So either one of these B's, small winners, another mean green trade, small winner, retest failure, straight up, look on that spread, just unanswered buying. Quick trade here off this S, that quick winner. This S right here would have been a 0, scratch, maybe make a point. This retest failure, nice trade. This buy, a nice trade. And when we left on the last update, we said the market was pointed higher. And we expected it to go higher, or at least retest this particular high, and that's what had happened. So again, our trade setups are marginal. The first trade right here off a 10-minute chart would have worked out very well. This V top, yes. Mean green trade, yes. Mean green trade, yes. Retest failure, yes. So not the world's easiest market to trade. We'll see that the F1 screen favors higher prices. I'm going to put this all together now. Catch a move out of the middle. So you can see we got really the sellers above 1990, and we've got pretty good buying below 1860. And there were say 2000 is probably where resistance lies. So this F1 screen says find a place to buy it. The F2 screen, it's a B put in backwards, and if we do a J split, we've got a new distribution higher. So I think the best split is to do it like this. And it's not the world's strongest profile. So we've got a 2-letter ledge up here at 71. We've got this high at 73. We've got a round number at 75. So right now the first trade sell failure to take out 65, 67. And then selling 73, 75 for sell 2. On the buy side, we'd be buying 55, 57 for Globex. And then J period low there, so 48 to 50 for buy 2. And the news tomorrow is jolts, which usually has no impact. Okay, looking at the note, had a 3-year auction day. It was a good auction. This is the third month where either the 2-year or the 3-year has sold off the short end auction, and it was a good auction. It wasn't a bad one. And lower high, lower low by a little bit. This favors the sell side. The F2 screen, definitely looking at a B. And it is pointed lower, so we've got support over here, basically 127 even, 127.04. Got a low right here of 5. I imagine we're going to see it. So right now, sell 1 would be in the 11 to 15 area. Sell 2, 19 to 23. 1 to 5 on the buy side. And 25 to 29 buy 2. And with a 10-year auction, I imagine will be lower, but I don't think, again, the bottom will fall out of the market. But it's been pretty unusual to see the market, I believe, on the 2-year last month and then on the 3-year this month, just kind of back to back on the short end finding sellers. Okay, gold is really quiet. We're going to have a seller into 25 would be my guess. And you can see that we kind of held up down here in the 20 area. Put all this together. Looks like we got a B. Looks like we're looking to test support in that 15 to 17 area, so we'll play for it. So 18 to 20 will be buy 1. And then 16 to 14 will be buy 2. The sells 23 to 25. And then 29 to 31. Expected to be in a trading range still. Looking at crude oil, all over the map. I think that article on Turkey invading Iraq probably caused the spike. We got pretty good buying against 44. Looks like we're rejecting prices above 46.50, and we're at 45.79 right now. Looks like the market is trying to trade lower, but not with a lot of conviction. So 46 and a quarter, sell 1. 46.50, 75, sell 2. On the buy side, stopped above 45, so 45 and a quarter, buy 1. Then 44.50, 44.25 to 50, buy 2. Looking at the euro, Chinese devalued once again last night, so it tends to make the euro rally, but I do think it is pointed lower. And so we've got a lower high and a lower low. F1 says we can sell it. And F2 got to move out of the middle, so our 12.25 area. And then 12.50 for sell 2. On the buy side, 1175 by 1 and 1150 by 2. And looking at the 30-year, good contract again for us today. Really reliably trades its patterns. Being heavily sold, so this little last rotate up here. 3 to 7 sell 1. Then 15 to 19 sell 2. On the buy side, we're going to have some support at 24, so 21.25 for Globex. Probably going to be lower. Buy 1, and then 9 to 13 buy 2. So might take a 31 to get off a short in this one. $21 and $25 might be a little bold, but it's hard to move paper with the market going straight down. And that's it for September the 8th, 2015. I'll see y'all bright and early in the morning. I'm out of here.